speed bump by Robert Bosch on most everybody's tractor. Byron's got a strong the tractor, multiple winner all the way across the Battle of Bluegrass. And here we go on the Blow Black Smoke out of Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Here we're in the worker present in the winner's circle. We got that old green going on. Got black on down the hemisphere. If they win here tonight, we get $1,000. Probably doesn't even pay for the trip up here. Just to put on a show for all of us. And I'll love to do it. Do it how you love it. Red Rattler getting the stem wound up, turning that rubber band. That's a ride on along. Alright. He's cranking it up. Remember, he pulled under the 343 and they reset the split, now he's got to beat that. It ain't helping, that's the way it is. I like it. I understand. His shot, but it looked to me like he went past the cone. He may have backed out. Take my wife. Can somebody give me an ATC chicken? 2 chicken dinners.